Alright, so I would go ahead and select the retopologized mesh, which is just the area I've done so far, and I would press an F2 on my keyboard to rename it, and I'll just name it a character. So with this selected, I'll go into edit mode, turn on the snapping tool here, and holding down Control, I would right click, so adding a new VAT at this point here. So what I'm going to do now is to extrude and extrude the second time. I think I would extrude twice along this area, so to create like that's 2 edges here. Just move this into place. Now select this, still holding down Control. I would go ahead and extrude this all the way around. So that's 3, 4, 5, and finally one more 6. So I think I would still add a loop cut here, which is going to make it 7. Yeah, so now that that's done, I can uncheck this, select everything, and okay, no, not everything actually. Over my mouse over this point here and press L to select this loop here, and I will turn off this on cage in shrink wrap here, so I could see exactly what I'm working with. So currently I just want to extrude this and kind of fit it to the scale of the body. So to do that, I'll just press E to extrude and extrude it downward here. From the side view, I would also turn on X-ray. From the side view, I would move it into place here and rotate it. Maybe scale along the Z-axis by 0, then rotate. So currently I just want to move it to fit the body. Yeah, from the side view, I think I would bring this inward a little bit. Let me see it now. So I would add in a loop cut here now and scale this along the Y-axis a little bit and move it forward. So now that I've done this, so all I'll just do with this still selected, I'll press Ctrl B to bevel just to add more geometry at this point here, and I think I'm satisfied with something like this. So that's a loop for the body. So for the leg also, I'll go ahead and hold down Ctrl, just like I did for the torso area here. I'll hold down Ctrl, select everything, hold down Ctrl and right click to add the new VAT here. So hold down Ctrl, I want like 8 loops, 8 VATs in total around the leg. So I'll just extrude it like holding down Ctrl and right clicking. 1. Okay, I think I need to enable snapping option first before I do that. So I'll just press G, so this will snap to the mesh. So holding down Ctrl, I would extrude 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, so 6, and just select this last one and press F to fill. So currently there are 6 and there are 7 actually, and I need 8. So I'll select this side here and right click and subdivide. So yes, now I have 8 vertex going around the leg. So now I can uncheck this, select this, move it upward along the Z axis. So from the side view, you just scale it along the Y axis, move it into place to match with the leg. From the front view, to scale it along the X axis, move it into place, and I would extrude this downward. From the side view, scale it, move it into place, rotate, extrude it once more, rotate, move it into place, scale. Remember, I actually turned this off before performing this operation, because else everything will snap to the outer part of the leg. Place here, extrude it one more, scale it, move it into place. From the side view also, I think this is fine. So now I'm done with this, I'll just go ahead and add more loops. Add one here for the knee. I think just Ctrl R to add in a loop cut and rolling my mouse through it to increase the number of cuts. I would add in like 3 loops here for the upper part of the leg and add in 3 loops for the lower part of the leg. So also for the hand, I want 8 vertex to going around the hand. So I'll also do the same thing. Deselect everything, hold down Ctrl and click here to add in a new vertex here, and hold it down Ctrl, I'll go ahead and add in 8 vertices. So that's there's 1 here, this is 2. Okay, so I think I made this mistake also for the leg. So I'll select this, delete it, I don't need it for now. I would enable snapping before holding down Ctrl and right clicking. would enable snapping before holding down control and right clicking. So go ahead and extrude this 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and so I just fill this in. That's 7. I think I'll look for the largest point here. So just move this around. Move this around. Or something else I can do, I can just add in, for example, I can come to this small part here and add in a loop cut. Right click and subdivide, or just Ctrl R to add in a loop cut at this point. So currently, yes, it's not even. So I can just select this and press and right click, and under loop tool layer, I will see this cycle option. But if you don't have this option set and showing, all you can do is go to edit your preferences, and under add-ons, you search for loop tool and make sure it is enabled. Then you can come close it. So if you right click now, you should see the loop tool option here, and I'll just click on cycle. So what's the spacing between each of these vertex here? So from top view, I would move this into, turn off snapping and move this into place here, something like this. And from the front view also, I would rotate this, move this upward, and extrude this one for this first part of the arm here, rotate and scale. So also from the top view, I try to position it and maybe rotate it a bit. Let me see it from the front view, move, scale. So also I would extrude one more, scale this up, scale it down a bit. From the top view, I think I'll try to, I think this looks fine from here. So from the front view also I would extrude, let me just move this down and extrude one more time with this last part of the arm, scale it down and rotate, move it and scale. So let me see from the top view, I'll move it into place, scale it along the y-axis and position it something like this. Yeah, so now that I'm done with that, I'll just add in the cuts, adding 2 for this upper part of the arm, 2 for this lower part of the arm, and I'll select this loop here by holding down Alt and clicking and Ctrl B to bevel. So what's going on here? So I'm seeing some kind of wobbliness here. So if I press the backslash key to isolate it, you can see some kind of weird shading around there. So to fix that, let me check this stuff. Yeah, you can see this dark highlighted faces here. So to fix that, just press A to select everything and press Shift N. So now if I select this area and try to bevel it using Ctrl B, it should bevel right, like properly. And I'll roll my mouse scroll wheel just add like 2 loops there, because at every joint you actually need enough loops for deformation after rigging and all. So I'll press the backslash key to bring back other objects. And now I can press this on cage option here to make everything stick with the body right in object mode. So we are not going to go ahead and retopologize the hand, considering that we have a retopologized hand that we created right here when we are still sculpting. So I would go ahead and fix this later on, but for now let's just hide this. So now there are some specific kind of deformations you need in the body, which the geometry won't work that way if you just extrude this arm directly to the body. So there's a specific way this loop should go. There should be a loop going all the way from the chest, going all the way around this lower part of the chest and all the way to the deltoids. So to do that, I think I would move this out of the way, move this backward, enable snapping option. Yes, I can move it easily. Move this backward, move this backward, move this backward. And move this backward. So now I would extrude these two upward a bit. Then holding down Ctrl, extrude this once. That's for, and select this 4 vertex and create a face here. So I'll use this to create the loop going all the way around. So I'll extrude this once, extrude this again, rotate. Remember the snap tool is turned on, and I would also enable this project individual element because I'm extruding multiple vertex together. Select this, extrude it, rotate. So now extrude this. Now I'm just trying to line this up. This would match with this. extrude, extrude, this would match with this, extrude, this would match with this, same thing, this to this, and extrude one more time, this would match with this. So now what I'm going to do, I'll just select this M to merge it at center. So I'll go ahead and do the same thing for all the other parts that are merging with that are meant to match together. M at center, select this two, M at center, select this two, M at center, select this two, merge it at center, same with this. Yeah, so I think that's all. Okay, maybe I'll merge this one, merge it at center. So now I just want to create like the faces that would fill this area here. So to do that, I'll just select these two faces and extrude it. So select these two faces and extrude it to, yeah, to match with this. That's 1, 2, scale it down, select these two, scale it down, select this both, extrude again, and I think I'll start filling in the faces now. Like these 4 faces, F to fill. I can select these two, press F and press F to fill those parts there. So I think I would add in a loop cut right here and select these 4 edges here, F to fill, select this, fill it and fill it. Yeah, so this is where we are so far. So I think and merge it with this F to fill that area there. So I can select this 4 vertex F to fill, select this 4 vertex F to fill. So I'd go ahead and extrude this once and twice, which would measure the center here. I'll still move it into place just so I'll move each vertex individually just to make sure they align at the center point exactly. I can just select these 2 edge here and F to fill in that point there. Yeah, so now we have this edge flow going all the way around the chest, and we can go ahead and follow this up to create the chest itself. Extrude this part upward, this one more time, and select this part here, extrude it again, and add a loop cut here. Select this edge here and this edge here and fill in the space in between. So now for the chest, this particular method I'm going to show works for both male and female characters. So I want to create like a loop going all the way around and around. So to do that, I'll just select this face here, this loop here, E to extrude, scale it down, move it towards this part of the chest. And now to fill in this point, so I'll just press Ctrl F on my keyboard and click on grid fill, and it should fill this. I think if this is not perfect, you can always increase the number of span. I think I rather work with 2, and the offset you can tweak it to determine how exactly the faces would be arranged. So I think I'll scale this down a little bit more, and move this into place here. Just add 2 loop cuts, or 1. I think 1 should be okay to fill in that point there. So currently, if I deactivate the sculpt layer, this is what I have so far. Let me right click and shade smooth. Let me deactivate the air. So we have about 5,000 faces on this character currently, which is I think fairly okay. So I would enable the air back and enable the sculpt so we can continue with our topology. So selecting the character mesh itself, go to edit mode. Now I'm looking for a way to join this with the neck. So if I select this loop here, let me see how many. I have about 13 vertex in total, and around this I have 9. So currently I want to think of a way to fill in this part here to make it just 9, so it could match with the neck seamless part here to make it just 9, so it could match with the neck seamlessly. So I'll select these 4 parts here. So currently there are 4 vertex here, but once I press F to fill, it automatically just translates to. So I'm dealing with just 2 here, so I've gotten rid of 2. So that's 10, 11 vertex rather, going to 9. So still looking for a way to reduce the topology. So there are various ways to reduce the topology, which I think I've showed you guys one way while I was in this part of the edge right here. So I'll use the same method right here. So I'll just move this downward, move this downward, select these 2 parts, extrude it and merge them here. Select these 2, merge at center. If I select this loop now, I should have 10 and 9. So this is, so yeah, I just need to get rid of one more vertex. Or alternatively, I could just add in a loop cut somewhere around the neck. This here would be fine. Yeah. So to add in more geometry, I think I would go ahead and delete these faces here. So now I should have, yeah, 10 in total and 10 yet. So I'll just move this part lower a bit and add in a loop cut here. So now to fill this, I'll just select these 2 here and then select 2 here, F to fill. So just select this edge here and press F, 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 and just go all the way through to fill in those faces here. So currently there's a lot of stretching going on here, so I think 2 should be okay, and simply just adding 1 here. Okay, yeah, so I think this should be fine. So let me shade flats for now and see what I'm having right here. Now I'm back in edit mode to join the legs with the upper part of the body. So I'll go ahead and select this part here and extrude this downward. So what I want to do now is to extrude this all the way through to go all the way to the back. So extrude this once more, bring this in. So I want this part to match with this, so I just move this backward and turn this around. So I'll extrude this again. This should match with this, and I could just go ahead and extrude this all the way through. 1, 2. Just go ahead and extrude this all the way through. 1, 2, and yeah, I think at this point I'll just select these 2 faces here and F to fill in that point there. So now this part that are rhyming, this and this can match at center. Same thing with this and this merge at center. So currently we have 2 loops here, that is this and this, and at the front we have just 1. So I'll add in a loop cut here just to make it 2. Selecting this, I can, so currently here I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 vertex here, and at the top I have 1, 2, 3, 4. So I need to look for a way to reduce this and join it with this. So now to get started, I'll select these 3 from the bottom and 1 from here and press F to fill. This place here, move this downward too. And let me see how well this would go. So currently I'm just dealing with 1 here. So if I'm to extrude this, select this 4, fill it in, select this 4, fill it in, extrude this, select this 4, fill it in, select this 4 and fill it in. See, I would go ahead and repeat the same process. Select this 4, select this 4, fill it, select this 4, fill it. So currently I'm approaching the ending of this lower part of the body. Holding down control, select this. I'll do down control, extrude this to match with this. Just like create a loop around there. And finally when it gets here, I'll just select this for F to fill. Just select this and fill this in, fill this in, fill this in, fill this in, fill this in. Yeah, so now that we have an even amount of faces here, we can just select the loop, Control F and grid fill, and it should work. It should work fine. So I'll increase the span to 2. Let me see how this. Yeah, so I think 2 is perfect, and just change the offset. So I think it's actually okay. So height to insert, bring this in a bit, just scale this down. And I'll just height to insert, bring this in a bit, just scale this down. And I'll just move this around just to clean up that shape there. So before we get into the hands, let me do the leg next. So I select this loop around here. Select this loop around here from the side view. Uncheck this, extrude it downward a bit. And for the front part of the leg, I'll select these 3 vertex here, extrude it forward once, twice. I would enable snapping now, so I can, yeah, and extrude. Now I'll just try to match this up with the front part of the leg. This 3, extrude it downwards 1, that's twice, and selecting this, I would extrude once. So this would definitely fill out this point here. Select this again, extrude twice. This would fill out this point here. So if I select this, I can just extrude all the way through. Definitely this would fill out. Extrude, extrude. So scale this down. So you're approaching the tip of the leg here. Extrude this. Extrude this. Same thing with this side here. Extrude, extrude, and maybe scale this up. Move it into place here. Extrude, and maybe scale this up. Move it into place here. Extrude, that's matching with this. Extrude, matching with this, and I can select these two vertex here and F to fill. So if I select this and just press F, 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 it should fill it all the way through, so long as you've matched up the lower vertex with the upper one here. So for the bottom part of the leg, you can just select this loop, and yeah, we have an even number of vertex here. So you can just press Ctrl F to fill and grid fill. And I think I'll just tweak the offset. See that it looks nicely. And if I can't see it, I can just press the backslash key to isolate it. To isolate this particular object here. And yeah, so I think this is fine. Finally, okay, well, not finally though, but because we'll still go ahead and extrude the eyes and the mouth later on. But for now, I would go ahead and apply the mirror modifier and apply this subdivision surface modifier and apply the shrink wrap modifier. So if you go into edit mode, definitely now you would have a whole lot more vertex. So I also want to do something. I'll go into sculpt mode and click on this drop down, enable wireframe. So I'll just hold down shift using the smooth brush to smooth out some of this. Sorry, I need to turn on X mirror. This is how smooth brush to smooth out some of this topology here. Just make it a bit relaxed. So now I can go ahead and unhide the hand Now for the mirror object, I'll use this eyedropper tool here and select this topologized mesh that we've done. Now what I'll do is I'll select this, press N to bring out my side panel. If I go to the edit option, you should see this auto mirror. I know it's not here, you can enable it in the preference, which is edit preferences, and if you search for auto mirror, so long as this is enabled, you will see it in your side panel here. So under edit, I'll click on auto mirror with X selected, auto mirror. So automatically that should add the mirror modifier on this particular object. And let me see how well this works. Yeah, so that's perfect. So now if you select the and select the object itself and press Ctrl J to join, it should make them just one object. So now we'll go into edit mode, select this loop around the ant here. Guys, holding down Alt and clicking to select, hold down Alt, click again to select this one at this part here. Press F3 to search, and I'll search for bridge. So you can just click on bridge edge loop and make sure merge is make sure this merge is checked, and that will automatically merge the ant with this part of the body. So yeah, now I can uncheck wireframe. So next for the eyes, I'm going to edit mode, select this loop around the eyes, E to extrude. Okay, before doing that I will turn off snapping. So E to extrude this inward, scale it down, extrude, and from the front view right click and under tool I'll select cycle to make it rounded. So I'm going to wireframe mode so I can see it better, just to move it, position it, scale it. This scale it on the Z axis, I don't need it that wide, and control, so I'll press F to fill, and control, so I'll press F to fill this in.